everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Farzana Alompia, Editorial Assistant of Textile Focus and Denim Focus. Welcoming all of you to Textile Focus and Denim Focus presents Industry Opinion powered by US Cotton Trust Protocol. In today's episode, we will talk about US Cotton Trust Protocol membership along with users' feedback. The US Cotton Trust Protocol is setting a new standard for sustainably grown cotton. US Cotton Trust Protocol is bringing continuous improvements in the supply chain. It has already enlisted 560 organizations, 300 growers, 37 brands and retailers, and 525 mills and manufacturers. Let's hear from Bangladesh's textile expert who has recently enlisted themselves as US Cotton Trust Protocol members.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Arsalan. I am the Bangladesh representative of Cotton Council International, which is a non-profit with the mission of promoting and facilitating the use of US cotton throughout the supply chain. Now, I'm very proud to announce that last year we have launched the US Cotton Trust Protocol, which is a new standard in sustainably grown cotton. This is specifically a US program, and it takes into account the UN 2025 sustainability goals, sustainability targets, and encompasses 6 key metrics in the production of cotton, which is land, soil carbon, water management, soil loss, greenhouse gases, and energy efficiency. All of this is underpinned by third-party verification and very sophisticated data collection using field to market, where farmers every year will be submitting a self-assessment form, which will then be verified to ensure that they are meeting the sustainability targets. On the back of this is something called a protocol credit management system. At the very, let's say, base of the program, we set that 1 kg of fiber is equal to 1 protocol credit. And as you know, that every single bale of US cotton has a permanent bale identification number attached to it. So when these bales are delivered to a spinning mill, the merchants will be able to upload exactly those bale numbers, which will then show up in a spinning mill's credit, when they will be able to provide specific yarn profiles. So from these bales, they may have made some 20 count, some 30 count. For example, they can specify this. And then when this is passed on to the knitter, when this is passed on to the dyeing mill, to the garments mill, for example, all of this is tracked through the system, arriving at a figure which is unique for a product. So a brand can make a claim over a particular t-shirt saying that let's say X many protocol credits have been used in the production of this t-shirt. We don't just stop there. We provide then a spider map, let's say, to the branded retailer, who is able to quantify that the use of those protocol credits, how they have positively impacted the environment. On top of this, the membership fee for the trust protocol is only $500, and that is applicable for a group. So if a group has 7 or 8 manufacturing units under it, there is only one payment of $500 for the entire group, and there are no other premiums or documentary charges on the cotton. They can consume simply any US cotton for the moment. We hope that you will explore this program more. You can have a look at our website, www.trustuscotton.org. Otherwise, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will be happy to provide you with more information. Thank you.
Since a lot of orders are now coming to Bangladesh, as it's considered a focus country for sourcing, we see that our factories are overloaded at this moment, which is a very good sign. This gives us entrepreneurs who have taken a lot of risk over the last, since the Rana Plaza disaster basically, where we have overhauled the entire industry with a huge focus on safety, a lot of new green factories. We have the most green factories in the world for textile and garments. And our entrepreneurs have risked a lot and invested a lot to make sure that our facilities are up and running as the safest in the world. We can proudly say that Bangladesh is the safest manufacturing nation for garments and textile. What we now need to do is to focus more on our backward linkage. So we have already established that cotton spinning Bangladesh can do. And this is one of the ingredients of success of the Bangladesh industry is we have a huge cotton spinning industry, and using this cotton yarn, we're knitting the fabric and then we're dyeing it and subsequently garments and export. What we now need to do is to find some expertise. We need to bring in expertise, and we need to grow in-house expertise in non-cotton as well as other value-added yarns and fabric textile. So once we have that textile supply chain in Bangladesh, we can further strengthen our supply chain and supply to the rest of the world. This is something that most of the entrepreneurs are exploring at the moment, and we already see that some headway is being made, and we're very hopeful that Bangladesh will also move up the value chain and move out of just basic t-shirt, which is what we were known for all this time. Now Bangladesh is a player in the global arena where we can produce not only t-shirts, but we can make other much more value-added products such as sportswear, such as functional products, such as industrial wear, etc. So there's a huge array, and we have only tapped a very small portion of the market as yet, and a lot more to be done. One of the key ingredients for our success has been sticking to one source of raw material for spinning. We have been loyal users of US cotton for the last 20 years, and one of the main reasons for that is because of the logistical and the commitment value of US cotton. When we book US cotton, we know exactly when it's going to arrive in our warehouse, and we know what quality we will get exactly. So each bale of US cotton comes with a permanent bale identification number. So that green card tells us the maturity of the cotton, the fiber length, staple length of the cotton, and everything that we need to know so that we can get the perfect laydown and the bale mixture in the spinning mill. Because of this, our entire factory is designed to work with US cotton, and it is really what you pay for is what you get in US cotton. Now, with the introduction of US Cotton Trust Protocol, that takes this one step further. Our customers are always looking for reliability in their supply chain and traceability. So with the US Cotton Trust Protocol, we're able to assure this traceability of the cotton, that it's coming exactly from the United States, and we know that when the cotton was grown, the resources were used to the optimum level, which means it was not overwatered. During harvesting, it was harvested in the right way. We didn't spend a lot of extra energy. The soil wasn't depleted unnecessarily. So all these are part of the US Trust Protocol, which gives visibility to our buyers and subsequently the end user or buyer from a retail shop to know exactly where the cotton was coming from and that it was grown in a sustainable manner. So this is something we have been practicing for a long time, but we were looking for a platform or for a branding image. For example, BCI is there, organic is there, but US Cotton was missing this link. So with the introduction of US Cotton Trust Protocol, we believe it completes the chain, and we're working with a few end users, retailers, who are advertising the US Cotton Trust Protocol, and we believe that it will gain substantial traction in the near future.
Okay, so what happened recently that we are, especially with the organic cotton, we are facing a lot of trouble with the price and also the supply chain disruption. So what happened that our customers are looking for sustainable cotton, which can be referred as to organic cotton, and we found is a kind of, we can say, a kind of sustainable cotton. If we see the sustainability practice of producing US cotton is different than traditional cotton, because they have the data-driven environmental impact is going on in when producing US cotton, and also the social standard of producing of US cotton is much higher than producing in other part of the world. So the issues with the sustainability is really integrated in the US cotton production system. So when we are talking about conventional cotton, it is really a good alternative compared to organic cotton. So that's the thing. Then it is come up in our mind that if we become the member of US Trust Protocol, then it will be easier for us to make a good offer to our buyers. And many of our buyers already feel interested about this US cotton because it has good sustainability practice, and it can be branded as alternative to organic cotton. So this is the number one thing. And then secondly, I found that the business is in the recent days is really going good. The orders are coming in huge numbers, and the options for organic cotton is also narrowing down, because the supply chain from the organic cotton is still not that much enough. So the supply from the organic, US cotton will be surely helping us to move forward to get better alternative option for sustainable cotton.
The US Cotton Trust Protocol was designed to deliver a better future for US cotton, using the most sustainable and responsible techniques. In Bangladesh, US Cotton Trust Protocol already has 50 plus members and targeted to reach 100 plus members by 2022. Thank you everyone for watching Industry Opinion powered by US Cotton Trust Protocol. We will be back again with a new episode and a new topic. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay tuned with Textile Focus and Denim Focus.